Contract breach? The National Works Agency investigates whether China Harbour is failing to adhere safety standards on a big road project. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, forced out, PNP supporters in Portia Simpson-Miller's constituency react to news that she's to step down as party president.
Peter versus Peter. Andre Jebinson looks at the two candidates expected to run for PNP president.
Weekend woes, more blood flows as murders continue.
And in business news, Mexican-based CEMEX aims for a bigger stake in Trinidad Carib Cement Limited.
There's also a ray of hope, sports commentary and weather in this edition of Primetime News. But before the break, the feedback question.
What's your reaction to Portia Simpson-Miller announcing that she will not seek re-election as president of the People's National Party, PNP, next September?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet @televisionjam.
Stay with us, Primetime News returns right after this break.